Today we discuss examples in unit vector operations. This is the gentle physicist. So, given three vectors, you have A is 4i hat plus j hat minus 2k hat. B is 6i hat minus 3j hat plus k hat. And C is I hat minus 3k hat. So first we determine the sum of A and C, and then we find C minus B hat, B hat, B. Then C is C cross B dot with vector A. So first, we write A, which is 4i hat plus j hat minus 2k hat. And then C here is I hat minus 3k hat. So when we are going to add 4i hat plus I hat, that's 5i hat. J hat, then we have no j hat here, so that's 0. So equals I hat. Minus 2k hat minus 3k hat, so that's minus 5k hat. So A plus C is 5i hat plus j hat minus 5k hat. Next is C minus B. Vector C minus vector B. So I hat minus 3k hat minus 6i hat minus 3j hat plus k hat. So we operate on same component. So I hat minus 6i hat, that's minus 5i hat. 0 here, minus negative 3j hat, so that's positive 3j hat. Then minus 3k hat minus k hat, that's minus 4k hat. So vector C minus vector B is equal to minus 5i hat plus 3j hat minus 4k hat. And last, we have C cross B dot with A. So we start with C cross B. So we have the I hat, J hat, K hat here. And then we write the components of your C, which is I hat plus 0j hat minus 3k hat. And then for B, we have 6i hat minus 3j hat plus k hat. So in order to operate, we will not include this part here. So we'll just have I hat, then 0 times 1, that's 0, minus 3 times minus 3, that's 9. So we have minus 9. And then always negative here in the middle. So negative j hat. So this will not be included, the t form here. So we'll just have 1 times 1, that's 1, minus 6 times minus 3, so minus 18. Then for the k hat, this will not be included. So that's 1 times minus 3, that's minus 3. 6 times 0, that's 0. So 0 minus 9, that's minus 9i hat. 19 times minus j hat, so minus 19j hat. And we have minus 3k hat. So therefore, your C cross B here is now minus 9i hat minus 19j hat minus 3k hat. So this result will then be dotted with A, vector A. So we'll have minus 9 times the component of A, which is 4, plus minus 19 for C cross B. Then we have 1 here for A. Then minus 3 here for K hat. And then for A is minus 2. So we'll have minus 9 times 4 is minus 36. Minus 19 times 1 is minus 19. Minus 3 times 2 is 6. So we'll have C cross B dot with A is now equal to negative 49. If you like this video, click the like button and share and subscribe. Thank you.